iOS 12.3 was officially released a couple of days ago, and with this update brought both AirPlay 2 and the new Apple TV app to compatible Samsung televisions. And so in this video, we're going to check out the new Apple TV app on a Samsung TV. Now, before we jump into everything, for this video, we're actually using a Samsung Q6F TV from 2018. And in the description, there'll actually be a link to all the compatible televisions, so you can go ahead and check out if this update will be available for you. But once you have everything updated, you'll see the Apple TV app right in your app's menu page. The Apple TV app should look very familiar with the new redesigned look, all starting off on the Watch Now tab. And of course, you'll have all of your various suggestions for what to watch, what's up next for you, trending content, new movies, etc. This is the page where you can also subscribe to Apple TV channels like HBO, Showtime, and even some newer options available like MTV Hits and Comedy Central Now. Once subscribed to these channels, you can actually view all of the available content from those networks, all within the Apple TV app, and there's no need to switch between various apps or even devices. You may also navigate through specific sections of the app using the top navigation bar that's broken down into various categories like Watch Now, Movies, TV shows, Kids, as well as access to your purchased content from iTunes. There's also a search and settings menu option too. Samsung TV owners that have access to the Apple TV app and are also tied into the Apple ecosystem can now have access to all of their purchased content without needing any Apple TV set-top boxes. Users can watch their movie library or even rent movies within the app as well. Honestly, I don't have a huge library of purchased stuff, but I do like renting content from Apple, and occasionally I'll purchase a movie from there as well. And it's nice to know that I don't need to purchase an Apple TV set-top box to access my library or specific Apple features. With this update also brings AirPlay 2, and so when I'm listening to music or watching a video on YouTube, I can easily send that right to my television using AirPlay 2. It works right within the YouTube app, for example, or you can head into the control center and access your Samsung TV from the AirPlay menu. This has worked flawlessly so far for me, and just the overall experience makes me feel like I'm using my Apple TV set-top box to access both the TV app or AirPlay, and it kind of makes you forget you're doing this all on a third-party device. Other TV sets are also expected to integrate with HomeKit, allowing users to control them via Siri commands and through the Home app, which we checked out in a previous video on a Vizio television, but this is unfortunately not expected to come to Samsung TVs. So what are your thoughts on the new Apple TV app on Samsung televisions? Is this something that you're planning on using frequently, or maybe is it going to factor in to what television you might buy in the future? Go ahead and let me know in the comments section down below. This has been Dan with MacRumors. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.